FormulaShare enables you to create robust, powerful, dynamic sharing using a rules-based system. We're going to show how it's possible to create a powerful dynamic rule in just a few minutes and have that apply in real time to our data model. This is an org I've just installed FormulaShare into. It's a fresh install, so there's no rules currently, but I have an existing data model in the org. This is a billing information record. The billing information is related to an opportunity, and that opportunity is related to an account which indicates a country group, and all records associated to this account we'd like to be shared with this public group. So how do we do that using FormulaShare? We can create a dynamic rule to share billing information objects with the account country. Now to do that, I select the appropriate object to share. Now I know the field that indicates the groups who need to have access to this record is on a related object. So I can select through the data model, I can traverse through the objects that are related as parents, children. I can also link to custom metadata records that are associated through the match of a field. In this case, I just need to select through a couple of lookups up to the account record. Now the field that holds the group to be shared with is country public group. Now I know that that's a public group that contains. I can browse the field contents just to check that that has in it what I expect. I select an access level and a managed sharing reason. I save that rule, and that rule is then created and by default will apply asynchronously to share billing information with the appropriate country. There's also an option to apply this rule in real time, and the FormulaShare package includes an apply FormulaShare rules flow template we can use to create logic which will share that in real time. So as a record trigger flow, I know that I want this to run each time a billing information object is created or updated. So all I need to do is update the triggering object and then update the apex action to indicate that it's billing information sharing that this flow template should be applying to. I save that as a new flow. And once I've activated that, each time that I create or update a billing information object, I'll clone one just now that's related to the same opportunity, and I should be able to see the Canada group there right away in the list of groups and users who have access to that record. So that means that record's been shared right away. That's just one use case of what we can do with FormulaShare. There's a lot of options of how we can use this to share dynamically based on data and related objects within the org. If this has been interesting to you, if you'd like to find out more, get in touch with us and we'd love to speak to you and to explore how FormulaShare can add value to your organisation.